Alright, so we're fabricating 101. This is the generator bracket I just made. I had to, I didn't have a wide enough piece of steel, so I had to weld two pieces together and locate both holes. Drilled and tap hole there, drilled and tap a hole there. I gotta grind the back side of this because I goofed up and I didn't grind this, so tomorrow when I go to finish weld this thing, I'm gonna grind that groove out good, and then I will weld it all together, and that generator will be held in there perfectly straight with that belt, and this will charge the tractor. I'm gonna mount my regulator, probably, I don't know, maybe I may fabricate another bracket or something down here. I don't know. The gas tank comes back here, so I'll find a place to put the regulator. I don't think I'll put it under here because there may not be enough room. I know it's not going to fit on top of it. I'm pretty sure it won't. I'm not positive, but I'm pretty sure it won't. I also had to fabricate some nuts for in here. This is for the gas tank to bolt on. Once upon a time probably had something in there, but I had to fabricate something for threads in here, both sides. The radiator is in really rough shape. It is a 1949. The whole tractor is a 1949. But it runs really good. Runs really good, but it's just got a really messed up freaking wiring diagram. It's just spent. So this won't be the first one I've had to rewire. They're very simple, not complicated. And this is the dash. I cleaned that all up and painted it. It's got some smudge marks all over it. A lot of these parts are all parts I just had kicking around. It didn't come with a key. They usually had just a switch, but I did have a key, and it's just an on and off purpose. So if I take it to a show somewhere, or a tractor parade, or a tractor show, I can take the key out and I don't have to worry about anybody driving away with my tractor or farting around with it. So, you know, this does have the wheel weights on it, which is pretty cool. I got all four of them. There's another one over there on the floor, and I got a sickle bar mower for it. I also have a plow for it, and I also have a land plow for the back for it. And I had to straighten this out. This was all monkeyed up. Looked like somebody had bent this right into here, like they drove it into a tree. I don't know what the hell. You never know. I mean, it's a 1949, but I straightened them out. Both of them I straightened out in I've got a press over there. I don't think you can see it or not, but, and this is my Harbor Freight chop saw. It's, I'll tell you what, Harbor Freight, I used to badmouth the shit out of them, but I mean, I've spent probably $1 million in blades, but the thing just keeps on going. And same with the press. That's a Harbor Freight press, and it works really well. I made this bracket with it. I bent this steel with that. I bent that purposely just like that, so it would fit in here and hold this generator in a specific spot. So there you have it, Fabrication 101. Cub, Farmall Cub. Yep, 1949. So we're getting the essentials ready. I'm taking it to a tractor show, and I just want to get it so it's got some kind of charging system. Put the battery back where it belongs. Straighten out the steering thing here. Probably going to have a lot of speed wobble here going on, but there you have it. Thanks for watching. Guitar pickers, keep on picking.